Hello, welcome to today's video, where I will show you 5 seriously cool AI tools that will level up your creativity and productivity. So, let's get started. So firstly, I will tell you how to set your face with anyone. To begin, go to reface.ai and then click the unboring menu and select this option and start by uploading your own image. Once that's completed, proceed to upload a picture of the face you'd like to replace. For instance, I uploaded a photo of Elon Musk. Afterward, simply click on Save Faces. See, that is so funny and scary. Let's give this video clip. Go ahead and upload your video right here. Just like we did previously, include a face, then hit the Swap Faces button. It's pretty amazing, you'll notice. This is the quickest method for applying a face wrap. Give it a go with your own face, and start creating incredible video games as you play the role of Superman. Second, Google recently introduced a convenient AI tool that can significantly streamline your email correspondence. To access this remarkable AI tool, simply follow the link provided in the description below. The process is straightforward. Begin by opening your Gmail account and starting a new email. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll notice a magical pencil icon. This tool can generate emails for you in a matter of seconds. For instance, if you need to draft an email for one-day leave from your manager to meet your doctor, type in the details and click Create. Within moments, the AI will produce a perfectly written email, saving you the time and effort you might have struggled with in the past. Furthermore, there is an option to refine or shorten the email with the Recreate and Revive functions. Notably, you can also harness this AI's capabilities in Google Docs. For example, if you're planning a trip to Mount Rushmore, simply input your ideas, and within seconds, the AI will generate an excellent plan for your excursion. The best part, this AI tool is entirely free, making it an invaluable resource for saving time and enhancing your productivity. Third, during the last few weeks, you likely came across these captivating videos that gained immense popularity on social media. With this AI tool, you can effortlessly create videos similar to those, with just a few simple steps. Head over to zoomerang.app and choose Restyle AI in the AI category. Once there, you can easily upload your videos and transform them into something as impressive as the example in a matter of seconds. Don't forget to share your unique creation on social media to enhance your online presence and growth. Fourth, isn't it amazing how this AI tool can effortlessly bring your old memories to life with just a few clicks? You don't need any graphic design expertise or expensive software. It works incredibly fast, delivering results within minutes. Simply visit palette.fm, upload your black and white images, and in a matter of seconds, you'll be presented with various color palettes to choose from. The colors it applies to your images look remarkably realistic. Get creative and craft your own unique narrative, just like this cool wrap. Last but not least, this AI tool, which you can freely utilize for extensive PDFs, operates on artificial intelligence technology. It effectively reads entire PDF documents and provides answers to your inquiries whatever you ask. For that, simply visit chatpdf.com and upload your PDF file there. I recently used it to process a research paper on AI that I had in PDF format. Following the processing, you can engage in a chat and ask any question you desire, and the AI will deliver accurate answers based on the uploaded PDF content. So, now you don't need to read huge PDFs anymore. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments which of these AI tools you're most excited to try, or if you have any other favorite AI tools we should check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.